We have it's around 8 Suzuki Outboards from 9 horsepower right up to 140s. All 4-stroke, all on our rental boats. Our boats go through abuse 7 days a week of running, at least 6 to 7 hours a day, and we have 0 failures. So for normal use, the dependability should be flawless. I think one of the more impressive things about the Suzuki Outboards is the fuel economy. Usually during a day's rental, which is either 9 to 5 or 10 to 6, the average person comes back in burning between only $50 to $60 a day on regular fuel. So the fuel economy is amazing. So an average season for us with our outboards is probably between 350 to 400 hours a year. Some of our Suzuki Outboards are 3 years old now, and we still have 0 dependability issues with our outboards. With proper care, regular oil changes, regular spark plug maintenance, you can depend on years of trouble-free boating with the Suzuki Outboard.